Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So let me talk to you guys about Epicure and how I am almost promoted to leader. And I can honestly say this has been a big surprise. I've been selling Epicure now for about 2 years, I believe almost 3 years. I still have to double check that. I have the worst sense of time. I believe it's almost 3 years. And I never thought or intended to make this a business where I would get so high up in the company that I would be promoted to leader. And let me first say, the most exciting thing to me about being promoted to leader is that you get free products every time new products come out. So that's pretty awesome, right, you guys? But I'm not there yet, okay? I'm not there yet. I am at the executive, I had to think about that because they just changed the name. I'm at the executive consultant level, which is amazing. But I am very, very close, like literally, let's see, $500 away, maybe $400 away in sales to be promoted to leader. So that's really exciting. But I want to talk to you guys about how you can be promoted to leader too, because this was not my intention at all, but it did take me 3 years to get there. And even now I am so surprised that I have gotten that far. So when I first started, I just signed up for the discount for myself, and then it quickly became something where people were coming to me because they knew that I sold Epicure. I would just simply post pictures about what I was making for lunch, dinner, whatever, and then people would come to me. I did start the YouTube videos, and that did help a lot. A lot of my newer customers have been coming from YouTube. You don't have to start your own YouTube channel, but that did help me. But let me take it a step further in saying I have not done any cooking classes. I have not done any cooking classes, and I'm being promoted to leader. Not yet. I have to stop saying that. I'm not there yet, but I'm pretty close. So, and it's not because I don't want to do cooking classes. I actually do intend to do them once we move in about 2 months, because we'll just have a nicer kitchen. I've just always felt that my house is too tiny, my kitchen's not so nice, and I just don't have a lot of time, but I want to make the time now to have those cooking classes. But all I've been doing is I started a pantry club online where customers are committed to purchasing Epicure every other month. So not every month, but every other month, about $30 each. And that allowed me to remain active. That was all that I had intended to do, was to remain active, because I don't personally spend $250 every 3 months myself on Epicure products. I have everything at everything Epicure, but you just wouldn't spend that much, right? So I had done the pantry club to remain active. But then people love it. People love the pantry club because they can try different things. I share recipes every day. They're my loyal VIP customers. So anytime I hear of a new sale coming out, they're the first to know. If I get something, if I have a customer exclusive that nobody wants, I will ask them first, you know, so they're my VIP customers, and they love that. So then they would bring other people in to the pantry club. So then I would sell more, and more. You get the idea, right? And once you try Epicure, you will want everything. So that's just how it all kind of came into play. But again, you guys, I have not done any in-person cooking classes yet because I just don't have time. A little background about me is I am a dental hygienist. I work Tuesdays, Thursdays, and some Fridays at the office. I'm a dental hygiene and dental assisting tutor, so I actually teach online. But I do also have my own mobile dental hygiene business also, where I clean teeth in people's homes. So as you can imagine, I'm doing a little bit of everything. Plus, I sell Epicure. So, you know, me doing at-home cooking classes, I just haven't had time yet. But if I can be promoted to leader, almost, you can too. And that's why I wanted to hop on to just kind of tell you guys my adventure in getting there. It's not that I know tons of people. In fact, I'm that person that probably has 5 close friends. That's it. Because me and my husband prefer to stay at home. We're exhausted half the time, so we like to stay home. We don't go out much. It's not that we know tons of people. And all of my customers, actually, most of them, I haven't met in person. Come to think of it. How funny is that? Just kind of think of that now, right? It has all been from online. So, but don't think when you sign up that if you're not selling a lot, that's how it's always going to be. That's not the case. If you don't sell a lot in your first month, it's okay, you guys. Keep at it, because I've had months where I sell a ton one month, and then the month after that I sell nothing. I sell $10 the next month, and then I sell $2,000 the month after that. So it does happen. That is okay. The key is to consistently bring in new customers. So that is where those cooking classes help, because if you are doing cooking classes, you have to always be thinking, okay, who else here wants to do a cooking class? Because then you would go to their house, do a cooking class, and then they would bring their people that they know, and then ask those people after that cooking class, okay, who else wants to do a cooking class? So that is the way to get in more customers. With me, it's just been keeping up with YouTube, me making sure to ask every single customer how they like everything. If they want to order something new, I post on Facebook every day. Just actually, I've been doing videos too of me actually cooking things with Epicure, so that has been helping too. But the moral of the story is, don't think that, oh, well, she's being promoted to leader, that's never going to happen to me. It has taken me 3 years to almost be promoted to leader, but it's because I have fun with Epicure. I don't think, oh my goodness, I sold nothing this month. She sold so much. She's being promoted. She's able to get the free product promotion bonus. I'm not. What's wrong with me? Why is nobody liking my pictures, commenting, but this other person gets comments all the time? Like, why can't I sell? I went back and forth, you guys, because I saw Epicure as a side business. I joined for the discount for myself. But then once people started coming to me, and then once people started coming to me to also want to be a part of this amazing opportunity, I thought, okay, you guys, it kind of made me re-inspired, if that makes sense, to sell Epicure, to really try and share Epicure. So the more of a team you have, that is how you can get promoted too. And being promoted is a nice thing, because it's kind of like getting a raise for your hard work. So that's kind of nice, right? And another thing that I also do is I give Epicure to everybody. So I do buy a lot of it myself, but I buy it for other people. So if somebody's having a birthday, they will be getting some Epicure, because once they try it, they will want more. If it's Christmas, every single person will be getting some Epicure, because then they try it, they want to keep buying more. They tell people they know about this amazing Epicure, and then they come to me to order more. So that's how it does happen. But do you guys have any questions about anything? Comment below, let me know. The best thing that I can tell you guys is be consistent. But even if you're not, even if you take a month off, that's okay. It's never too late to get back into it, and just as if you have never left, because there will always be new customers coming. They don't know you took a month off, right? Start posting, start making Epicure lunches, dinners, everything. Post about it, done and done. People love to see that. If people see that you buy, eat, use Epicure, they will want the same thing, right? Right? If they never see you eating, or, well, not eating, but if they never see you making Epicure, they don't believe that you make it, so they might not want to buy from you. On the other side of things too, they might buy Epicure from somebody else, if they don't even know you sell it because you're not telling people you sell Epicure. This is your side business, full-time business, however you want to make it. This is up to you. So good luck, you guys. And I have an amazing team. We all get so excited every time something new comes out. We just love it. If you're thinking about being a part of our amazing team, let me know. I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom, and I can teach you how to do what I have done and probably almost be promoted to leader sooner than I am 3 years, okay? Because I have learned a lot. I'm now more into Epicure, like more than I ever have before, because I have such an amazing team where they literally inspire me every day, because that's what it's all about. We talk to each other, we inspire each other. We're all online. We haven't met in person, a lot of us, but that's okay because we're always online. So thank you guys so much. Let me know if you need anything, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.